Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage upperi. First, gather your fresh ingredients. 1 small head of cabbage, about 1/4 cup of grated coconut, and a few basic spices. Ensure your cabbage is finely shredded, ready for cooking. You'll also need a small amount of coconut oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and a sprig of fresh curry leaves. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious dish. To begin cooking, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a medium-sized pan. Once the oil is shimmering, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Next, toss in a sprig of fresh curry leaves and 2 chopped green chilies. Sauté these aromatics briefly until fragrant, about 30 seconds. This tempering step is crucial for building the authentic flavor of upperi. Now, add the finely shredded cabbage to the pan along with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well, ensuring the turmeric coats the cabbage evenly. Cover the pan and let the cabbage cook on low to medium heat until it becomes tender, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Finally, stir in the freshly grated coconut and a pinch of salt to taste, mixing gently until combined. Your delicious cabbage upperi is now ready to be served. This simple, flavorful dish makes a wonderful side for any meal, offering a healthy and quick option for busy days. It pairs beautifully with rice or roti. We hope you enjoy making this traditional recipe. For more great content and other deals, be sure to check the description below, where you'll also find a link to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.